Hey guys, it's Miss Sebastian. We are going to be talking about Unit 4, Lesson 3 today. Okay, so our first question type that we're going to look at says match the segment in the preimage to the corresponding segment in the image. Okay, pentagon ABCDE is rotated around point D to create the image FGHDJ. Okay. So the pre-image is the one you start with. So we said that we started with pentagon A, B, C, D, E. Okay, it is rotated around point D. So it started here and it turned and went here. So D stayed the same. So I'm going to put it right here. Okay, so that those are lined up. Now, if I look, point E is here. When I turn this thing, it starts here and it turns like this. Okay, and E ends up right here. So that's J. Okay, then I've got point A, and that matches up with point F. Okay, point B, when I turn, it is point G. And then last but not least, you've got C here. When it turns, it was a straight line. When it turns, it comes right here and is point H. So remember, the pre-image is what you start with, and the image is what you end with. So we started with this top one, A, B, C, D, E, and ended up with F, G, H, D, J. Okay, so let's look at another one. Okay, triangle CED is a reflection of the triangle CBA. Okay, reflection, when you look in the mirror, it's flipped. Okay, it's like flipped over a point. So what that means is, let's see, if I've got, okay, here's a thing of buttons right here. Okay, I've only got one button left on it, but you could see when I flip it over this point, it's going to be the exact same shape, but the opposite side. Okay, so think about that. When I flip this point, okay, pretend this side right here. Okay, let's pretend that's B. Okay, I can write it right here. Okay, when I flip it, it comes across, and it's still on the top, but it's over here. So B and E match up. Okay, so which angle in the triangle CED corresponds to angle B? So that would be angle E. Now, what about if they didn't give you a picture? What if they just gave you this, CED, CBA, and they wanted to know? All you have to do is you look at the letters. They are in the exact order that they correspond with. So C and C match up, E and B, that was our answer here, and A and D match up. Okay, so you could check that just by looking at the letters they give you. Okay, let's look at this transformation. We want to know what happens here. Okay, it looks like it's going from right here, the pre-image, to the image here. Okay, it could have gone the other way, but either way, it looks like they share a common point, so it's either going to be rotated or a reflection over this point, okay, or over this axis if it's a reflection. Okay, if we look, I've got the short side here, and it matches with this short side. longer and longer. So it's just a reflection. It's just where it flips over. So I would call this a reflection over the axis, and this is the y-axis. The one that goes up and down is your y-axis.